Hello everyone. Welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region YouTube channel. We will study through video series every day. The different subjects staying at home being safe. Learn and understand the concepts and revise at home. Now today we are going to see subject EVS Standard 4th lesson number 1, the life cycle of animals, video 2. In this metamorphosis, in some animals the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called as a metamorphosis. For example, caterpillar and a butterfly. Now we are going to see metamorphosis in a butterfly. Butterfly grow through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, that is a caterpillar, pupa and adult. The adult stage is called as a butterfly. Now here we are going to see example of plain tiger butterfly. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an eggs on the milkweed, that is a rui plant, rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Children, do you have seen the caterpillar? Yes. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is the molds. Children, do you understand new term molds? That is the shed old skin to make a way for a new growth. In this way, it molds 4 times. Caterpillar molds 4 times. And just before the last mold, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or a leaf and hangs itself from it. You can see in this picture. When it molds this time, it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. You can see here. The pupa of a butterfly is also called as a chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes takes place in its body. The growth of the plain tiger gets completed inside the chrysalis. You can see the picture. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. You can see here. And the butterfly has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. So we can see the different types of butterfly in our environment, because the butterfly are the part of our environment. So student, all of you enjoyed this video. All of you please like this video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Children, all of you understood? First comes a butterfly, and butterfly lays an eggs. Then comes a caterpillar with so many legs, and this caterpillar molds, and it molds many times and form a pupa, that is a chrysalis. And in this chrysalis, the caterpillar don't eat anything. And when the growth of a butterfly completed inside the chrysalis, that after the 15 days, the butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. So in this way, a butterfly growth is completed in the 4 stages, children. First is the eggs, second is the caterpillar, and third is the pupa, that is a chrysalis, and last is the adult butterfly. So all of you students revise. All of you enjoyed this video, so please click on the like. like this video and please subscribe the video channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Student, revise the learning at your own comfortable time. We will interact again with you in next video. Till then, enjoy learning. Thank you.